This is a first look at Photoshop's 2021 new color grading feature added to Camera Raw. Once your image is open, unlock the layer by double-clicking on it and hold Ctrl-J to duplicate it. With the new layer selected, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and a new window will open up. In here, we can navigate down until we find a new Color Grading tab. Inside, there are 3 color grading wheels that represent midtones, shadows, and highlights. There are also blending and balance sliders that we can use later to define the intensity of our effect on the original image. A color grading wheel is made up of red, green, and blue. Each color channel is expressed from 0, less saturated, to 255, most saturated. This means that you can choose from over 16 million different colors in the RGB color space. Holding and dragging the hollow circle will make a selection, while moving the outside point will trigger our selection to move on its equator so that we can filter through colors on the same spectrum of intensity. The closer you are to the outside, the darker the color will be. Clicking the outside point once and keeping hold of the hollow circle will enable the Z-axis so that we can adjust the saturation of the selected color. Want to go back to neutral? Simply double-click anywhere on the wheel and the color picker will jump right back to the center. Additionally, the bottom sliders act as the intensity of the effect you're currently using. For example, moving the slider left on shadows will make them stronger. With that overview out of the way, here's a quick time-lapse of me color grading this photo. And this was Design Dummy.